Hello, how are you? I'm great. Thank you for asking. Believe it or not, I had my first s'more about 3 weeks ago. I went 27 years of my life without ever having a s'more. And the last video I made, we did French toast, and it got me thinking again. I do so much thinking inside of this head, it's ridiculous. But it got me thinking, could we make a s'more French toast? And the answer, kids, is yes, you can. You can do whatever you put your mind to. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna make s'more French toast. Oh, let's go. What we have here is challah bread. Stale, I left it out overnight. Cause I ain't no holla back girl. I ain't no holla back girl. All right, so we're gonna slice it. I don't know, about 1.5 inches thick. Ooh, stale bread, girl. I'm about that stale bread life. I figured since I was so great at making the breakfast last time, we should give it another go. Get in there. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Perfect. Let's set our bread aside. All right, so now we're gonna make our, the bath that the French toast sits in. That's what we're gonna call it now. We're gonna call it a bath. Why? Because I said so. So we have our eggs. We're gonna do 3 eggs. Same deal, right? Crack, bang, she's gone. Oops. 2 eggs. Kobe. Got it. 3 eggs. LeBron. And we're just gonna give this a whisk. Get it started. And now our milk. I did heavy cream last time, but we're using heavy cream for the sauces that are gonna go on top of this French toast. So this time, we're gonna use milk. That's good. Up next, we've got 2 tablespoons of sugar. Thank you for coming. Next, we got cinnamon. Bang, cinnamon. Do about a teaspoon. This is fun. See, I was terrible at breakfast, and now I'm learning how to do it. Or we're doing it together. But it was my idea. It was my idea for the s'mores. Doesn't that sound nice right now? Sitting by a campfire. We got nutmeg. Just a touch. So we have a vanilla. We're gonna do, I don't know, half a teaspoon. Now we're gonna whisk this all together. Beautiful. Beautiful. Smells delicious. Also, let's preheat our oven to 350. Why? To keep that French toast nice, crispy, crunchy, cracky. All right, we got our oven preheating. It's time. It's time to bathe the toast in our bath, because that's what I decided we're calling it from now on. It's a bath. Because they want to go for little swims. Pop, pop. We're gonna let them hang out for like 30 seconds each. And then we're gonna let them rest, They've had a long day at the office. I just want to come home and I just want to relax without somebody telling me what to do. Okay, come relax. Relax, baby. Again. Ooh, this one doesn't want to share his space. Come on, be kind. Making breakfast is a lot of work. But you know what? We all have nothing but time on our hands, so it's okay. I feel like these might be the last 2 pieces. Bang, fam. Bang, fam. Smells delicious. But now you're asking, how are you turning this into s'mores? Well, it's a bunch of step process. The first one is we have a graham cracker crushed up. Spread that out in our plate here. Now we're gonna take our toast, our dredged toast, and we're gonna coat it in graham cracker. Can you believe this? We're doing it. We are doing it. This is like carnival food. Straight up Carnival. Perfect. Thank you for coming. We have our graham cracker crusted French toast. It's time to cook them. Let's set our burner to a medium high. Butter. I love the Kerrygold Irish butter. I think it's absolutely delicious. And usually, a lot of the times, it's on sale. It's crazy. Always clean as you go. A clean kitchen is a happy kitchen, and a happy kitchen is a happy chef. So now we're just going to fry the French toast. And this is gonna take some time. But the best things in life are worth waiting for, aren't they? It's kind of like dating in your 30s. You're just holding out for when all the good ones get divorced. Oh my God. You guys. Ooh, Dad. Let's go into the oven. And we're just gonna repeat this process over and over. Over and over and over and over and over. Breakfast is messy, you know? It's a lot like life sometimes. It seems messy, overwhelming, there's stuff everywhere. But it's about slowing that down, saying, okay, well look, I'm gonna tackle those 2 in the pan and those 4 over here, and then we'll move on. Take it one step at a time. And right now, I'd like to remind you, you should probably comment, like, share, and subscribe because I have new videos like almost every day. Every day! And we have our last piece going down. I told you, we'd make it to the end. We'd make it to the end. If you believe. Well, I feel like he might be the star of the show. My last one was my best one. Is that like kids? It's like your final kid is your best kid? Or the one you love the most? I don't know, I'm childless. Speaking of that, what a time to be alive without kids. While our French toast is in the oven, staying warm, getting its final crispiness action done to it, we're gonna make 2 different sauces. Why? Because it's s'mores. There's s'mores. So I wanna do a marshmallow sauce and a Nutella sauce. Oh, and they're both very, very, very simple, okay? All you need, Nutella, bang, mallows, heavy cream, vanilla, and some salt. That's it for both sauces. So what you want to do first is we need you're coming with me. We need a double boil. So what we have here is water with a pan on top, and we're gonna bring that to a boil. And for our Nutella sauce, let's set it up right here. We can do that, you know. We are going to use a small saucepan. About a half a cup of whipping cream. Nutella, same measurement. We did a half of cream. Let's do a half of Nutella. So we're gonna slowly bring that up to warm it up, not too fast. Got chocolate on my fingers. Nutella's so good. I only had it for the first time like 2 years ago. 2017 was a lot of firsts for me. Some good, a lot probably bad. But that's okay, I'm here, right? You just keep moving forward. And then for the Nutella, we're gonna add a pinch of salt. A pinch of salt. Pinch. So the Nutella sauce is gonna look like it's not happening. It's happening. You gotta give it time. It's gonna break apart. It's not gonna wanna meld together with the cream. Give it time. Keep pushing through. It's breakfast. You got all the time in the world, right? It's not like anybody has a job to go to. Well, not now, they don't. But you do normally. This is like a Sunday thing. Sunday breakfast for the kids. Marshmallow sauce. Simple. Marshmallows. Cream. Same deal. Half a cup. Vanilla. Quarter of a teaspoon. And then we have our double boil over here. We're gonna push this down on a double boil. You wanna make sure there's no water touching this bottom part or it'll burn it and it'll ruin everything. Bang. Nutella. Keep stirring. Trust me. Keep stirring, keep stirring. It'll feel like it's not coming together. That's the point. It wants to tell you, hey, this isn't gonna work. It's not gonna work. You're not good enough. You're not smart enough. Well, you know what, Nutella? You know what? I am. So are you. I feel like this is turning into like Mr. Rogers. And we have our marshmallows. Did I just break the third wall? We have our marshmallows over here going on our double boil. Patience. This is all about patience, right? Good things come to those who wait. A wise man once said that. I don't know who he was, but do you think he ever got what he was waiting for? Or did he spend his whole life waiting for that one thing, died, and now we'll never know if he got what he was waiting for? But what did I tell you about the Nutella? I said, if you keep stirring, it'll work. It's gonna look awful in the beginning. It's gonna feel like you wasted your time. Did you just ruin this? You did it. I promise. Because look what we have. A beautiful, beautiful drizzly sauce. It's gonna be great. It's going to be great. Taste it. Delicious. Delicious. Ooh! My God. Show you what we're dealing with here. You guys. Oh, that's really good. That's really good. This was the best idea I ever had. Okay, so for some color, I'm actually going to cut up some strawberries on it. We have to be a little bit healthy, right? We have to get our nutrients in. So I thought that would be fun. Oh, look at this little guy. And I don't know, one more. You know, it was awesome. Someone asked me on Worst Cooks. They did all of our dishes for us. We didn't have to do anything. Alrighty, I think it's time. Now it's time to plate it up. First, I need a plate. Plate. Oh yeah. Okay. Ooh. 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 So here's a fun trick you may not know. If you don't have a squirt bottle, you can use a fork to create the drizzle effect. And I feel like we want to drizzle this. We got our marshmallow. Now, our chocolate. And now she needs some color. You know? Guys, you guys, beautiful. You guys, it is beautiful. It looks beautiful, but does it taste beautiful? Got a little crunch. Let's try it without the strawberry first. Wow. I am not, this is better. I can't even talk. God, I'm learning a very important lesson here. Breakfast, while time-consuming to make, is delicious. I'm turning into a breakfast man. I said it. I don't care. And look, you don't need the strawberries. Obviously, it's not traditional s'more strawberry, but it adds a really nice brightness because this is so rich. My God. Wow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, share, subscribe, and stay safe, stay sane. Mwah.